What is up, you guys? Stu here with Bowen Customs. Behind me we have a 4th generation Tacoma, the Trailhunter edition. Awesome truck. This one's sitting on some 35s. We have our topper bed on the back. It is a 5-foot factory bed from Toyota. This particular topper bed is destined for an alu-cab topper. That's why we have little trim panels on the back here. This particular gentleman opted for black logo plates, kind of a cool blacked out theme he's got going on. This is the topper bed, so it keeps the same floor height as your factory bed. That's really important. If you are doing a topper like this gentleman is, if you do it on just a regular flatbed, that flatbed is sometimes 9, sometimes even 12 inches taller. So you're losing almost a foot of standing room, of headroom inside the topper. This particular bed does have our rear access doors. So these just make loading really long objects like skis, ski poles, fishing rods, stuff like that, way easier. Doors are open. On this side, you can see just a ton of storage, recovery gear, camping gear, heater, toolboxes, tools, you name it, it can all fit in there. If you got any questions or you'd like to purchase one, you can shoot us an email to info, that's info@bowencustoms.com. Thanks, guys.